Have you ever felt the sting of being taken for granted or losing someone who didn't appreciate your worth? It's a common experience, and many wonder how to make others realize what they've lost. In this video, we'll explore practical, empowering steps to help you become the person they regret letting go. This isn't about revenge or manipulation, but about self-growth and genuine transformation. By focusing on your own journey, you'll naturally inspire others to see your true value. Let's begin this path together, starting with understanding why people often don't appreciate what they have until it's gone. Regret often comes from a sudden realization of lost value. When someone loses you, they may not immediately feel your absence. Over time, as they encounter situations where your presence made a difference, the sense of loss grows. Understanding this process is key. It's not about forcing someone to feel bad, but about recognizing that your unique qualities are irreplaceable. By focusing on self-improvement and authenticity, you create a natural space for others to reflect on what they've lost. Let's dive into the first actionable step: self-reflection. The journey begins with honest self-reflection. Take time to understand your strengths, your values, and what you truly want from relationships. This isn't about blaming yourself or others, but about gaining clarity. When you know your worth, you naturally set higher standards for how you're treated. Write down your achievements, recall moments when you made a positive impact, and acknowledge your growth. This process builds confidence and lays the foundation for the changes ahead. Remember, self-awareness is the first step to making others realize your value. Personal growth is a powerful way to make people regret losing you. Focus on developing new skills, pursuing your passions, and setting new goals. When others see you thriving and evolving, it challenges their perception of you. Growth isn't just about career or academics. It's about emotional maturity, resilience, and adaptability. By investing in yourself, you become more attractive not just romantically, but as a friend, colleague, or family member. Your progress becomes a silent message to those who doubted your potential. Healthy boundaries are essential for self-respect. When you set clear limits on how others treat you, you communicate your value without saying a word. Boundaries protect your energy and prevent others from taking advantage of your kindness. If someone has lost you because they crossed your boundaries, maintaining them reinforces your self-worth. It also sends a clear message: you won't settle for less than you deserve. This newfound strength often makes people reconsider their actions and the role you played in their lives. Self-care is more than just pampering yourself. It's about nurturing your mind, body, and spirit. When you prioritize your well-being, you radiate confidence and positivity. This shift is noticeable to those around you, especially to those who may have taken you for granted. Whether it's regular exercise, meditation, or pursuing hobbies, self-care demonstrates that you value yourself. This attitude is contagious and often makes others reflect on how they treated you. Remember, people are drawn to those who respect themselves. One of the most effective ways to move forward is by building new, meaningful connections. Surround yourself with people who appreciate and support you. New friendships and relationships can offer fresh perspectives and remind you of your worth. As you expand your social circle, those who lost you may notice the positive changes in your life. This can trigger a sense of regret as they realize you're valued elsewhere. Remember, your happiness doesn't depend on any one person. Maintaining a positive outlook, even after loss, is a sign of strength. Positivity isn't about ignoring pain, but about choosing hope and gratitude. When you focus on the good in your life, you become more resilient and attractive to others. Those who lost you may be surprised by your optimism and ability to move forward. This attitude often makes people question their decisions and wonder if they underestimated you. Positivity is a powerful tool for transformation. Setting and achieving personal goals is a clear demonstration of your independence and drive. Whether it's advancing in your career, learning a new skill, or reaching a fitness milestone, your progress speaks volumes. When others see you succeeding, it challenges any doubts they had about your capabilities. Achievements are a testament to your resilience and determination. This often leads people to regret not supporting you or being part of your journey. Let your success be your statement. Change is inevitable, and embracing it is a sign of maturity. When you adapt to new circumstances and grow from them, you show that you're not defined by your past. This adaptability is attractive and often makes others reflect on their own inability to change. By welcoming new experiences and learning from setbacks, you become a stronger, more interesting person. Those who lost you may regret not growing alongside you. Change is your ally on this journey. Independence is a powerful quality. When you show that you can thrive on your own, it sends a strong message to those who doubted you. Independence isn't about isolation, but about being self-sufficient and confident in your abilities. Pursue your interests, make decisions for yourself, and enjoy your own company. This self-assurance often makes people regret not valuing your presence. Independence is attractive and inspiring. Forgiveness is not about excusing others' behavior, but about freeing yourself from resentment. When you let go of grudges, you create space for healing and growth. This emotional maturity is often unexpected and can make others reflect on their actions. Forgiveness doesn't mean you forget, but it shows that you're strong enough to move forward. Those who lost you may regret causing you pain when they see your ability to rise above negativity. Authenticity is magnetic. When you stay true to your values and beliefs, you attract people who appreciate the real you. Don't change who you are to fit someone else's expectations. By embracing your uniqueness, you stand out and become unforgettable. Those who lost you may regret not accepting you as you are. Authenticity is your greatest strength on this journey. Effective communication is key to healthy relationships. Practice expressing your thoughts and feelings clearly and respectfully. When you communicate well, misunderstandings decrease and connections deepen. If someone lost you due to poor communication, your improvement in this area can make them realize what they're missing. Good communication skills are valuable in every aspect of life and can lead to stronger, more meaningful bonds. Kindness is a quality that never goes unnoticed. Continue to treat others with respect and compassion, even if you've been hurt. Your kindness reflects your character and leaves a lasting impression. Those who lost you may regret their actions when they see your unwavering positivity. Remember, kindness is a sign of strength, not weakness. It's a trait that sets you apart and makes you memorable. Take time to celebrate your achievements, big or small. Recognizing your progress boosts your confidence and motivates you to keep going. Share your successes with those who support you, and don't be afraid to be proud of how far you've come. When others see you celebrating yourself, it highlights your independence and self-love. This can make those who lost you realize the joy they're missing out on. Keeping yourself occupied with meaningful activities is a great way to move forward. Engage in hobbies, volunteer work, or projects that bring you joy. Staying busy not only distracts you from negative thoughts, but also helps you grow and meet new people. When others see you living a full life, it can make them regret not being part of your journey. Productivity and fulfillment are attractive qualities. Continuous learning keeps you engaged and motivated. Take up a new course, read books, or explore topics that interest you. Expanding your knowledge not only benefits you, but also makes you more interesting to others. Those who lost you may notice your intellectual growth and regret not supporting your curiosity. Lifelong learning is a sign of ambition and adaptability. Support others in their endeavors, even if you've experienced loss. Being a source of encouragement and positivity builds strong relationships and shows your maturity. When you're supportive, people remember your kindness and reliability. Those who lost you may regret not reciprocating your support. Being there for others is a reflection of your strength and character. No matter what happens, always maintain your dignity. Avoid begging for attention or trying to win someone back. Dignity is about respecting yourself and your boundaries. When you carry yourself with grace, others notice your strength. Those who lost you may regret their actions when they see your unwavering self-respect. Dignity is a silent but powerful message. Steer clear of unnecessary drama and negativity. Focus on solutions rather than problems, and don't engage in gossip or arguments. By staying calm and composed, you show emotional intelligence and maturity. Those who lost you may regret their behavior when they see your ability to rise above chaos. Drama-free living is refreshing and attractive. Gratitude shifts your focus from what you've lost to what you still have. Practice being thankful for the good things in your life, no matter how small. Gratitude fosters happiness and resilience, making you more attractive to others. Those who lost you may notice your positive outlook and regret not appreciating you. Gratitude is a powerful force for healing and growth. Authentic living means being true to yourself in every situation. Don't pretend to be someone you're not just to fit in. When you live authentically, you attract people who appreciate the real you. Those who lost you may regret not valuing your authenticity. Living true to yourself is liberating and inspiring. Your experiences, both good and bad, shape who you are. Don't be afraid to share your story with others. By opening up, you connect with people on a deeper level and inspire them with your resilience. Those who lost you may regret not being part of your journey when they hear about your growth. Your story is powerful, own it. Consistency in your actions and values builds trust and respect. When you consistently show up for yourself and others, people know they can rely on you. Those who lost you may regret their inconsistency when they see your reliability. Consistency is a hallmark of strong character and leadership. Self-respect is the foundation of all healthy relationships. When you respect yourself, you set the standard for how others should treat you. Don't tolerate disrespect or mistreatment. Those who lost you may regret their behavior when they see your unwavering self-respect. Respecting yourself is empowering and sets you apart. Holding on to the past can prevent you from moving forward. Learn from your experiences, but don't let them define you. Letting go is a sign of strength and maturity. When others see you moving on, it can make them regret not being part of your future. The past is a lesson, not a life sentence. Stay open to new experiences and opportunities. Don't let past disappointments close you off to the future. Embrace change and be willing to take risks. Those who lost you may regret not supporting your ambitions when they see your willingness to grow. New opportunities lead to new beginnings. Your time is precious. Spend it on people and activities that bring you joy and fulfillment. Don't waste energy on those who don't appreciate you. When others see you valuing your time, it can make them regret not making the most of their moments with you. Time is a non-renewable resource. Use it wisely. Never apologize for being yourself. Embrace your quirks, passions, and dreams. When you're unapologetically you, you inspire others to do the same. Those who lost you may regret not appreciating your authenticity. Confidence in your identity is empowering and magnetic. Change takes time. Be patient with yourself and your journey. Growth doesn't happen overnight, and neither does regret. Trust the process and continue working on yourself. Those who lost you may not realize their mistake immediately, but your transformation will eventually speak for itself. Patience is a virtue worth cultivating. Be the person you wish others would be. Lead by example in kindness, integrity, and resilience. When you embody these qualities, you inspire those around you. Those who lost you may regret not following your lead. Leadership is about influence, not authority. Humility is a sign of true confidence. Celebrate your achievements, but remain grounded. Humble people are approachable and respected. Those who lost you may regret not appreciating your humility. Stay humble, no matter how much you grow. Reliability is a rare and valuable trait. When you keep your promises and follow through, people know they can count on you. Those who lost you may regret their unreliability when they see your consistency. Reliability builds trust and strengthens relationships. Hope is a powerful motivator. Even when things don't go as planned, maintain hope for the future. Your optimism can inspire others and help you overcome challenges. Those who lost you may regret not sharing your hopeful outlook. Hope keeps you moving forward. Express gratitude to those who support you. A simple thank you can strengthen bonds and show your appreciation. When you acknowledge others, you create a positive environment. Those who lost you may regret not being part of your gratitude circle. Gratitude is contagious and uplifting. Adaptability is essential in a changing world. Be open to new ideas and willing to adjust your plans. Adaptable people are resilient and resourceful. Those who lost you may regret not valuing your flexibility. Adaptability leads to growth and new opportunities. Invest time and resources in your personal development. Take courses, attend workshops, and seek experiences that help you grow. When others see your commitment to self-improvement, it can make them regret not supporting your journey. Investing in yourself is the best investment you can make. Mindfulness helps you stay present and focused. Practice meditation, deep breathing, or simply being aware of your thoughts and feelings. Mindfulness reduces stress and increases self-awareness. Those who lost you may regret not appreciating your calm presence. Mindfulness is a gift to yourself and others. Generosity goes beyond material gifts. Give your time, attention, and support to those who matter. Generous people are remembered and cherished. Those who lost you may regret not valuing your giving nature. Generosity enriches your life and the lives of others. Focus on your goals and avoid distractions. Stay committed to your path even when it's challenging. Focused people achieve more and inspire those around them. Those who lost you may regret not sharing your vision. Focus is the key to success. Solitude is an opportunity for self-discovery and reflection. Spend time alone to recharge and connect with yourself. Those who lost you may regret not appreciating your independence. Solitude is not loneliness. It's a chance to grow and understand yourself better. Optimism is a choice. Choose to see the good in every situation and believe in a better future. Optimistic people attract positivity and inspire others. Those who lost you may regret not sharing your hopeful outlook. Optimism fuels progress and happiness. Throughout this journey, you've learned that making people regret losing you isn't about revenge. It's about becoming the best version of yourself. By focusing on growth, self-respect, and positivity, you naturally inspire others to see your value. Remember, your worth isn't defined by anyone else's opinion. Keep moving forward and let your transformation speak for itself. The right people will always appreciate you for who you are. As you close this chapter, remember that every ending is a new beginning. Embrace your journey with confidence and hope. The lessons you've learned will guide you toward healthier, more fulfilling relationships. Those who regret losing you are simply reminders of how far you've come. Celebrate your growth and look forward to the future. You deserve happiness and respect.